Toxoplasma gondii. Toxoplasma gondii is a single-celled parasite that causes the infection known as toxoplasmosis. This parasite can infect most species of warm-blooded animals, including humans. Toxoplasma gondii is particularly noteworthy because it can infect a wide range of hosts, from mammals to birds and reptiles. Cats are the definitive host for this parasite, meaning they are the primary species where Toxoplasma gondii reproduces sexually and sheds oocysts into the environment through their feces. Toxoplasma gondii has three main forms. First is oocyst or soil form, shed by cats in their feces. Second is tachyzoid or active infectious form, responsible for acute infection. And third is tissue cyst or latent form, formed in host tissues leading to chronic infection. Epidemiology. Toxoplasma gondii is found worldwide, but the prevalence of infection varies across regions. Infections are more common in areas with warm and humid climates. The parasite can infect up to one-third of the global population. The life cycle of Toxoplasma gondii involves a complex interplay between definitive and intermediate hosts, with distinct stages and modes of transmission. Definitive hosts or family Felidae. Cats are the definitive hosts where sexual reproduction of T. gondii occurs. Cats become infected by ingesting infected animals or sporulated oocysts. Once infected, cats shed oocysts in their feces, which are infectious to many mammals and birds. Intermediate hosts. Various warm-blooded animals, including humans, serve as intermediate hosts for T. gondii. In intermediate hosts, T. gondii undergoes asexual reproduction. Ingestion of tissue cysts or oocysts in contaminated food or water leads to infection in intermediate hosts. Transmission. T. gondii can be transmitted through congenital transmission from mother to fetus, ingestion of undercooked meat containing tissue cysts, consumption of food or water contaminated with cat feces containing oocysts. Life cycle details. Cats acquire T. gondii by ingesting infectious stages like tachyzoids, bradyzoids, or oocysts. Tachyzoids are rapidly multiplying forms found in infected tissues. Bradyzoids are found with tissue cysts and are quiescent. Oocysts are shed in feces and are infectious to other hosts. Multiplication. Tachyzoids multiply rapidly within host cells and can disseminate to various tissues. Bradyzoids are slowly multiplying stages that form tissue cysts, primarily in the brain, liver, and muscles. Tissue cysts contain bradyzoids and can persist for the life of the host. Pathogenesis. T. gondii can spread locally and systemically, causing necrotic foci in host tissues. In immunocompromised individuals, reactivation of chronic infection can lead to severe manifestations like encephalitis. This intricate life cycle highlights the adaptability and transmission modes of Toxoplasma gondii, emphasizing its ability to infect a wide range of hosts and cause diverse clinical manifestations. To prevent and treat Toxoplasma gondii infections, here are some comprehensive guidelines based on the information provided by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, and the Division of Parasitic Diseases and Malaria. Prevention. Cook food properly. Ensure that meat, especially pork, lamb, and venison, is cooked to a safe internal temperature to kill harmful pathogens like Toxoplasma. Use a food thermometer to confirm the food is cooked adequately. Freeze meat. Freeze meat for several days at sub-zero temperatures before cooking to reduce the risk of infection. Wash fruits and vegetables. Rinse fresh fruits and vegetables under running water before consumption. Maintain hygiene. Wash utensils, cutting boards, and countertops with hot, soapy water after preparing each food item. Avoid certain foods. Do not consume raw or undercooked oysters, mussels, or clams as they may be contaminated with Toxoplasma. Avoid unpasteurized milk. Refrain from drinking unpasteurized goat's milk. Gardening precautions. Wear gloves when gardening and wash hands with soap and water after contact with soil or sand. Cat care. Change the cat litter bags daily. If pregnant or in compromise, avoid changing the litter if possible. If necessary, wear disposable gloves and wash hands afterward. Keep cats indoors to prevent them from hunting and becoming infected. Do not handle stray cats or kittens. Feed cats only commercial or well-cooked food, not raw meat. Keep outdoor sandboxes covered. Treatment. Diagnosis. If you suspect toxoplasmosis, consult a healthcare provider for specific blood tests to confirm the infection. Medication. In healthy individuals, treatment may not be necessary as symptoms often resolve on their own. Pregnant women or those with weakened immune systems may require medication to treat toxoplasmosis. Consultation. Discuss treatment options with a healthcare provider based on the severity of the infection and individual health conditions. By following these preventive measures and seeking appropriate treatment when needed, individuals can reduce the risk of Toxoplasma gondii infection and manage the condition effectively. That would be all. Thank you.